Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Right today when we are going to talk about guys how can we disable dark theme in our Poco phone. First you want to disable your dark theme in your Poco phone. So how can you disable today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So now let's see guys how can we disable the dark theme and guys how can we enable our light theme. And guys, what do you like most guys? Dark theme and white theme? Tell me on comment. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your display setting guys, click on guys your phone display setting. So as you can see guys, left side is light theme setting and the right side is dark theme setting. So guys you want to enable your light theme, so guys tap here, then guys your light theme will enable and guys the dark theme will disable, and you can use guys your light theme setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and guys tell me on comments guys, do you like your dark theme and do you like your light theme and dark theme, what do you like most? Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.